every single day. You know my fears, you know my way. So why you aim right at my chest when you know that's where I'm weakest? I would die for you, that's no lie. But your silence screams, your words deny. Respect is more than staying near. It's knowing what not to say, my dear. I gave you truth, I gave you time. You gave me scars.